Hello there. You're watching Getting It Hot with Rolf, and on the menu today is fresh corn on the cob. We're doing this on the offset. We got the fire on the right side, and we're going to be putting the corn to the left with the fat end towards the fire. It's going to take probably about 15-20 minutes. You cook it till it's tender. As you can see, I pre-shucked it, and most of the silk is off. Yeah, most of the silk is off. We're going to turn this about every 5 minutes, and some of it's going to end up going right on the hot side before it's done, because I like to blacken the kernels on my corn. Some people like it like that, some people don't. And on this particular grill, the piece all the way in the back and the piece all the way in the front usually cooks a little faster. And what you're looking for is to make it tender. I'll see you in a little bit. Let's give these guys a turn. As you can see, I already gave them a turn and moved them closer to the fire. And we'll be back. Don't think these are going to get black today. Get it over the flame. There you have it, folks. Some quick corn.